students. Today I will tell you the story of Umbro the umbrella bird. So let's start the story. Umbro the umbrella bird lived in a small mud house. One day Umbro was sitting under a big tree. Just then a bug flew into his hut. Umbro went inside the hut. He saw the bug sitting on the buns filled with nuts. Umbro got angry. He ran to catch the bug. He tripped over a cup and fell down. The bug laughed. Umbro got up and started chasing the bug again. The bug got scared. He quickly flew out of the door. Umbro was very happy. He sat in his hut and ate the buns. I hope you all like the story. Thank you and bye-bye.